I offer my humble pranam at the lotus feet of Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Welcome to video lecture on microcontroller and embedded system laboratory. Actually, I'm going to give demo for this. That is the interface stepper motor and rotate it in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. This is the actually interface, stepper motor interface. So this is the diagram. Actually, go through the previous video lecture. I explained in detail about a circuit diagram. I'm going to enable in this pattern for anti-clockwise direction. So this is the way of energizing the coil for what you call anti-clockwise. For clockwise direction, we have to enable the winding in this way, in this manner. Okay, so this is the way of energizing the coil for clockwise direction. Okay, now this is the program for delay, and this is a main program for anti-clockwise direction. I have to send the bit pattern in this way 1, 2, 4, 8 for anti-clockwise direction. And for clockwise direction, we have to enable the winding in this way. That is, first we have to send 8, 4, 2, 1. So this is the way of energizing the coil. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to uh, start from the beginning how to create the what do you call how to create the project and all the micro key microvision project. Just I'm going to start from the beginning. Okay, I'm going to start from the beginning. Okay, so just we can start from that. Okay, here what I will do is here I'm going to start from key microvision. Before that, I'm going to create one folder. Better to create always a new folder because it includes so many files and all. Let it be stepper motor, stepper motor. Okay, let it be. Okay, this is a folder. I created. And now I'm going to click on Kale Microvision project, means that software, that IDE. Okay. Now I'm going to create a new project, new project. Therefore, go to desktop. Under desktop, we know there'll be a folder called SMTR, SMR, that's a stepper motor. Then here I'm going to give a project name called SMR, stepper motor, stepper motor. Actually, no need to give any extension by default. It's going to save under this extension. Now save. Now it's going to open this particular window. Under that, go for NXP. So this is NXP. Okay, then expand this. Under that, we have so many ICs are there. We have to go for LPC 2148 microcontroller. I have to select that particular thing. That is LPC 2148. This is our thing. LPC 2148. It's a 32-bit microcontroller. For more details, you can go through this window. Then OK. Then you have to create a startup file. Therefore, can click on yes. Now go for that file, the new file. So here I'm going to copy the actual program I saved here. I saved here. Just open this, paste it. Then after this, you have to save this particular file. Save. Click on save. Then we have to save that file in the same folder, SMR, that stepper motor folder. Therefore, give that file name SMR. The extension must be C because it's embedded C. Then save. So this is a program. Okay. Therefore, I'm going to control by using switch 1 for clockwise, switch 2 for anti-clockwise, and this is a delay program. Okay, then this is the program for anti-clockwise and it's a program for clockwise. Then afterwards, what we have to do, you have to build this. Then actually before that, what we have to do is we have to add this particular file. That is not yet completed because that file is not there here. See, the file is not there. That .c, that smr.c is not there. That's why we're going to get error. Therefore, what we have to do is, and one more thing, you have to create a X file also. Say right click on this option for target, then output, and our output click on this create X file. Okay, click on this, select this, that is okay. The next step is, because still that C file is not there, what we'll do is right click on this, then manage project, actually manage project items, then add files, go to that SMR, okay, SMR, then click on SMR, add, then close, and we can able to find that file, okay, smr.c, then okay. Now you can find out here that is startup file is also there. That stepper motor.c is also there. Now you can compile, you can build. By the time what happened, say the zero errors, zero warning, and it create X file also. So this step is completed. Means we are creating, we have generated that X file. We have to transfer that X file to your board. Therefore, if you want to do that operation, you have to go for a Flash Magic software. I click on this. Okay, then here select the COM port. Here I'm using COM5. That is okay, that job is completed. Then here 9600 baud rate, oscillator frequencies at 12 megahertz. Then here the next step is start. I'm downloading the particular X file into the LPC2148 microcontroller. That job is also completed. Now just I'm going to minimize this. Okay, then we have to give demo for that. I'm going to give demo for that. Okay, now just you can see the demo. Here the S1, switch S1, this is S2. S1 for clockwise and S2 for anti-clockwise. Therefore, I'm going to press on S1, therefore it's going to rotate. Depending upon your requirement, you can able to control the speed. Because here it's somewhat faster, by varying the delay count, we can able to change. Here this is for anti-clockwise, so you can see that anti-clockwise is for clockwise, this for anti-clockwise. Okay, clockwise, S1 for clockwise and S2 for anti-clockwise. So this is your the simple board. This is a what do you call? Just we have a winding. This is the winding. This is your stepper motor. This is your stepper motor. Okay. Therefore, by using this, we can able to control because it requires 12-volt power supply. Therefore, this is clockwise. It's an anti-clockwise. This is actually clockwise. This is anti-clockwise. Okay. So this is circuit. The connection is very simple. So this is your LPC 2148 microcontroller board. Okay. Any doubts here? So if you have any doubts, you can put in a comment section. Okay. Uh, thanks for watching. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, you can write in a comment section. Thank you very much.